In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix game stuttering after an update in Windows 11. Start by clicking the Start button, then open Settings. In the left sidebar, click Windows Update, and from there, click Update History. Scroll down until you see Uninstall Updates, then click it. A list of installed updates will open. Look through the list and find the most recent cumulative update. You're looking for the newest date, and the entry will usually begin with the words Update for Microsoft Windows. Once you find that most recent one, click Uninstall next to it. A confirmation box will appear, so click Yes. Windows will begin removing that update. Let that process finish, then restart your PC to complete the uninstall. After the restart, check whether the game stuttering has stopped. If the stuttering is gone, open Windows Update again and click Pause for 1 week. That prevents the same problematic update from installing again right away. Next, clear the DirectX Shader Cache. Click Start, then type Disk Cleanup. As you type, say it naturally with the action on screen. Type D, then I, then S, then K, space, C, L, E, A, N, U, P. Open Disk Cleanup from the results. If Windows asks you to choose a drive, open the drop-down and select your main drive, which is usually C, then click OK. Disk Cleanup will scan the drive and show a list of removal files. In the list, check DirectX Shader Cache. Then uncheck everything else so only that one remains selected. Click OK, then click Delete Files to confirm. Windows will remove the cached shader files. The cache rebuilds automatically the next time you launch a game. That first game launch may take a little longer while shaders compile again, but a corrupted shader cache will be cleared out. Now run the system file scan. Right-click the Start button and choose Terminal Admin. If a permission prompt appears, click Yes. In the terminal window, type the command carefully sfc/scannow. Press Enter. This scan checks protected Windows system files and replaces any corrupted ones. It normally takes a few minutes to finish. When it completes, read the message shown in the window. You will either see Windows Resource Protection found corrupt files and successfully repaired them, or you will see did not find any integrity violations. After that, run the DISM command in the same terminal window. Type the command exactly as shown in your instructions or pinned comment, then press Enter. Read it in naturally while entering it, so the on-screen typing has time to happen. Type D, I, S, M, then a space, then continue with the full command exactly as provided. This process repairs the Windows Component Store, which the SFC scan relies on to fix damaged files correctly. It also takes a few minutes to complete, so wait for it to finish. When the repair is done, you should see the message. The restore operation completed successfully. Once both scans are fully complete, restart your PC. That restart is important because it applies the repairs and clears out anything still pending from the update removal, cache cleanup, and file repair process. At this point, the main fixes are done. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. After applying these steps, game stuttering caused by a recent Windows 11 update should be resolved. The most common outcome is that uninstalling the recent update gives immediate relief, while clearing the shader cache and repairing Windows files addresses damage or corruption left behind during the update process. If the stuttering is still there after all of this, the issue may be related to your graphics driver. In that case, update your GPU drivers from the manufacturer's website, such as NVIDIA or AMD, or perform a clean driver reinstall using DDU, spoken as DDU, which stands for Display Driver Uninstaller.